Alright, I'm gonna show you how you can create a smooth scrolling in Vue. So you probably know what a smooth, so if you're at this position and you click this, it scrolls down instead of just instantly skips to it. Now this is what we want to use in Vue. You can incorporate it from what we have here in your own, totally your own from vue2-smooth-scroll or whatever you have, but I'd rather I at least installed a plugin for this, and this works a little bit better together with all the Vue parts we're going to use. And the one I'm going to use is the vue2-smooth-scroll. And if you just search specific for this and you get to this guy or girl GitHub repository, we can see how we need to do it. Or you can just follow basically, because we just need to install this plugin here and then add a little bit more to it. Now the first thing we want to do is installation part is we need to write this out. So we're going to go and copy this and go back to our browser. I'm just going to close this and we're going to stop our server, do a quick clear with Control-C on both PCs and Mac, I think. And then we're going to paste in our code here. So at npm install --save for the project, and then vue2-scroll.smooth-scroll. So let's try this, and that installs everything into our code here. So that's just the two basic things we need to do. So let's also grab the import here, like we have with our Google Analytics. It's the same procedure. We need to take this 2 lines of code here and copy these. We go back to our Visual Studio Code, go into our main file, and let's do some space up here. And let's do import vue2-smooth-scroll, and like we had before with Vue Analytics, we want to use it as well. So that's basically what we want for now, and we can click save, and now we can do an npm run serve again, and hopefully if there's no errors then we're golden. So let's just check this before I actually end the movie and create the next one. Video, it's not a movie, but let's just wait here, 60%, boodly boodly doo, come on, silence. I can go here and wait meanwhile. Yes, it's running, everything, nothing broke, so that's great. So now we know. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can implement this into your VueJS and have smooth scrolling to different parts of your, if you're doing a single page application, SPA.